What's going on, everybody? I wanted to do a short and sweet video on the update of the Supra. What I did this morning on this rainy, crappy day that was supposed to be nice is I wired in my fuel pump relay. This is a two relay setup. Here, give me a second. I'm just going to open it for you so you can see it. If I can open it, there we go. So, two relay setup with separate fuses for power. Nice little seal on it. This was from Kaizen Motorsports. The guy who owns Kaizen and wires everything up is an awesome guy. Supported me through the whole journey of getting this wired up. I'm color deficient, so I sent him pictures, making sure everything was going where it was supposed to be. Very helpful guy. So what he did for me, give me 2 seconds again. So what he did for me, because I didn't want this, usually his setup, people drill holes right here. And I talked to a fellow Supra owner, Ryan, about his setup, because he got it from Pure Function, his YouTube channel, by the way. But he got his setup from Jose with Kaizen, and he didn't want to bolt it there either. So I went with Ryan, and I'm like, yeah, I don't want to bolt it either there. So he made a bracket to bolt up in the factory location, extended the wires. This is a factory setup. So this is a factory fuel pump ECU. Sits right in here. You unplug it, you unpin it, because it's a different pin, obviously, which is right there. And you repin these wires here, as per Jose, into the plug that Jose supplied. And these are the factory wires that were, sorry, this was already pinned. Have to repin this side. So that's what I did. Repin this side. This is a constant 12 right from the battery. You got to run it through the car. Obviously, it's pretty easy to do. And I went through the grommet that is here. Runs up here. And right there. So that is going to attach there. And yeah, it's almost done. The rain's getting pretty hard there. That's what the hell's going on out there. And then you run it through the factory grommet underneath, up, and wire in the one single wire. This is, like I said, a dual relay setup. So if I so choose, I could run two pumps, which I will in the future. But right now I just have the one single Hellcat pump, which is yeah, what I'll be running. So I just depinned the wire on this plug and put his supplied power wire on that one. And that's pretty much it. So as always, hope you guys enjoyed the short video. Like and subscribe. Peace.